How to delete Google account from one device only. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign out from one device of your Google account. So let us begin. First of all, head over to your Google Chrome. After you're on your Google Chrome, tap on your user profile on the top right. After you do that, you will see your Google account. Tap on it. Now scroll down and there you will see manage your Google account. Tap on manage your Google account. After you do that, you will see the security option. Tap on security. After you're there, scroll down again and you will see your devices option. Tap on manage all devices. After you tap on it, you will see all of the devices where your Google account is logged into. Now to log out or sign out from it, simply tap on the device and you will see sign out option. Simply tap on sign out and confirm the sign out by pressing on sign out, and you'll have basically removed the access of your Google account from that device. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. That is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye.